channel. Today we are going to unbox the Baby Alive Super Snacks. And it was my dream to have this baby alive, but I had ordered it and it didn't came. Then after I also ordered it and it didn't came. But tomorrow I gone to shop and take this Baby Alive. So let's open it. So we can open it from here. Okay. So friends, now our doll is open. Let's put it aside, and here is our doll. So first of all, I'm going to show you what we have inside of it. So we have a baby doll, a brush, it says Baby Alive, 2 clay sets, a fork and a plate, this machine and Baby Alive diaper. So now we are going to open my doll. So friends, now it is open. So let's meet my doll, Baby Alive Lily. And she has 2 little these buns, plus she has this cute little dress with some flowers, and she looks super cute like my younger sister. Now I'm going to show you what it comes inside. So first it comes with a Baby Alive diaper. Then it comes with this cute little blush. It has hearts and it says Baby Alive, same this side. And we have 2 clay pots. One clay is of green color and one clay is of yellow color. Now we have the plate. It is in orange color and it also says Baby Alive. And this little cute spoon. Now our last thing, this machine. This is a noodle machine. So now I'm going to show you how to make noodles. So Lily, do you want some snacks? Yes, I want. So friends, let's make food for Lily. So this is a clay and we are going to put it inside of our machine. Now we are going to roll it like this. It's coming, guys. Friends, it looks our Baby Alive food is getting ready. Okay, so now here we have our food. Now let's feed my Baby Alive. Here you go, Lily. Thanks. So friends, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.